Compounds. A compound is a pure substance that is formed when the atoms of two or more elements combine chemically in definite proportion. Compound exhibit properties entirely different from the properties of their elements. For example, the atom of the elements hydrogen and oxygen combine chemically into fixed ratio to form the compound water. However, water does not have the same properties of hydrogen and oxygen. For example, at the room temperature, water exists as liquid while hydrogen and oxygen exist as gases. Oxygen support fire, whereas water is used for fire extinction. Similarly, common salt, that is sodium chloride, is a compound made up of elements sodium and chlorine. It is used of food, whereas sodium and chlorine as poisonous, and both are unsafe for consumption. Properties of compound. A compound is formed only when the constituent elements combine in a fixed proportion. The properties of a compound are different from those of its constituent elements. A compound cannot be broken down by physical methods. This is because a compound is made up of different elements. A compound cannot be broken down by physical method. This is because a compound is made up of different elements that are chemically combined. Sodium chloride cannot be separated by physical methods such as filtration. A compound can be separated into its constituent elements by chemical method only. Difference between elements and a compound. An element is the simplest substance. A compound is the chemical substance formed by the combination of two or more elements. Elements combine to form a compound. Compounds can be split into elements. Atoms are the fundamental particles of an element. Molecules are the fundamental particles of compound. Thank you, students.